It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day.
That's right, but I'm not very mad. No, but I have a lot of hatters. Oh, hello, and welcome to our nice wandering puppet show trailer. That's right, we are here today to help you be entertained and bring your lows to highs. Oh, that's what we are going to do today. Hello, everybody. Welcome out there.
Trust Jesus. In every life you'll have some trouble, but when you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Trust Jesus. And don't worry, trust Jesus.
That's one of the
Don't worry. Trust Jesus.
We're having so much fun. We probably should call the fire department to put us out. Woo! That would be not good. How? We want to have fun all the time. Oh, that's right. This is so much fun. You know, I like doing science and wondering and discovering. Oh, you know what I really like to do? I like to eat. Oh, yes I do. I like to eat things that are sweet and juicy. Anybody here like a strawberry? Oh, very good. You can have this one. Are you eating my strawberry? I guess you don't want this strawberry. It's already full of worms.
School time jungle, the devil sleeps today. In the jungle, the very jungle, defeat him when you pray. Monkey see, monkey do, the lion devil is after you. Monkey see, monkey do, scared to be one of God's chosen few. Do not change yourselves to be like the people in this land. But the change within your mind. For Jesus, take a stand. For Jesus, take a stand. For Jesus, take a stand.
Hey, you know the name I was taught in school all the time? Hey, Jimbo, come here. I'm Jimbo now. Look at that. I turned into a clown. Yeah, Jimbo the clown, and I got a big smile. That's right. Yeah. He went to school with me. He knows I've been like this all my life. Big red nose. Here we go. We bend those together like that. Ready, set. Oh, look at me.